Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on piano using an easy method. We'll start by finding simplified sheet music or online tutorials tailored for beginners. It's crucial to focus on the right hand melody initially, as this carries the main tune. Practice each hand separately and at a very slow tempo to build muscle memory and ensure accuracy before combining them. This foundational approach makes learning much more manageable and enjoyable. Next, let's cover some essential techniques. Understanding basic music notation, including note values and rhythms, is fundamental for reading any sheet music. Always maintain proper finger placement and a relaxed posture at the piano to prevent strain and improve dexterity. When encountering challenging sections, break them down into smaller, manageable phrases. Practicing these short segments repeatedly will help you master them before integrating them into the full piece. Developing effective practice habits is key to your progress. Aim for consistent, short, and focused practice sessions daily rather than infrequent long ones. Using a metronome is incredibly helpful for developing a steady rhythm and maintaining an accurate tempo. Don't be afraid to record yourself playing. Listening back can reveal subtle errors or areas where your timing might be off, providing clear targets for improvement. This self-assessment accelerates learning. Once you're comfortable with the basics, gradually increase your tempo and begin incorporating the left-hand accompaniment. As your skills develop, challenge yourself by exploring other Undertale songs, expanding your repertoire. Remember, consistent practice is your best friend on this musical journey. Also, for a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals. Keep enjoying your piano playing and exploring new music.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.